How to sign out of your Google account on a laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign out of your Google account on a laptop. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser where you are logged in. Currently, I'm using Google Chrome, but it could be any other browser. So what you're going to do here is simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And if you have other accounts here, it will be shown right here. If you want, you could just switch to them. But if you want to completely sign out, you can just click on the sign out option and you will be logged out of your account. Now click on continue. And as you can see, you have successfully signed out of my account. But what you could also do is click on the top right corner here, and then you could just sign out of there as well. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.